In this video, you will see the full Adidas factory process.
Batch 312 received. Inspect material manifest and seal codes.
Cotton sample A7 looks within tolerance type. Moisture 6.2%. Scanned 01234-AD. Moving to storage lane 3. Store rolls at position R5. Color black core confirmed.
Transporting sole rubber to molding cell B now.
Sample C2 taken for tensile and color fastness tests.
Feeding uppers to stitching line, speed set to 120 ppm. Sanitation cycle engaged the wells, 90 seconds at 85 degrees Celsius. Batch dyeing in progress, color code AD-05 Navy. Loading complete. Begin dye programming now. Color check passed, no bleeding detected.
Dry cycle completed, humidity at target 2%.
Thickness within spec. 8.2 millimeters average across batch.
Rolling pass 1. Surface evenness within 0.2 millimeters.
Material hub status. Inventory nominal. Operations green.
Thread tension calibrated for Primeknit cycle. Initiate knit program PKN-S. Expect 45 seconds per upper. Knitting floor operating at 94% capacity this shift. Stripe alignment confirmed of airing. Pattern matched to digital template.
Sort A sizes to bin 2, B sizes to bin 3.
Laser cut precision nominal tinting. Zero edge fray detected.
Automated cutter sequence complete for mold set 7.
Panel alignment verified against template V3.
Bonding cycle active. Maintain 180 degrees Celsius for 12 seconds. Glue deposition complete Alucho. Adhesive coverage 100%. Heel reinforcement stitched. Double seam applied. Stitch line speed calibrated. No skipped stitches. Toe double stitch confirmed. Strength test passed. Eyelet press cycle complete commit. Grommet set installed.
Ventilation pattern trimmed. Airflow spec achieved.
Collar padding density set to soft firm for comfort.
Adhesive cure complete. Proceed to UV inspection.
Batch QR verified. Wenu, traceability intact.
Upper inventory full. Scheduled transfer to sole unit.
Surface clean cycle, 45 seconds. Ready for assembly.
UV scan complete. No defects flagged.
Crates sealed and labeled for midsole transfer.
Autonomous carrier en route to Seoul Unit B. Routing complete. Prepare for midsole bonding.
Upper production steady time. Throughput holding at target.
Melting at 220 degrees Celsius B-suiting. Viscosity within processing range. Mold fill complete. Begin cooling sequence. Tread pattern clear Santati. Anti-slip profile verified.
Mold swap to cool station frilling. Cycle time unchanged.
Boost injection complete fertigate. Density uniform across run. Expansion stabilizing climber. Foam cell structure nominal.
Midsole demolded friction. Visual QA pass recorded.
Edge trim complete. Finish quality within tolerance. Soles staged for adhesive application and bonding.
Logo paint applied and Milovic. Curing set to 30 seconds.
Flex test cycles at 50K a Hukutin. No cracks observed.
Cooling complete to lens. Temperature stable at 15 degrees Celsius.
Shelf S12, stocked with midsoles for assembly.
Adhesive applied to and true. Tack level verified for bonding. Sole inventory check. Pick accuracy 99.6%.
High pressure bond engaged. Fine. Retention set to spec.
Alignment lock acquired. Zero offset registered.
Logo stamp complete.
Serial trace added.
Hardness reading 62 Shore, within tolerance. Flex cycle running. 10K repetitions to be logged.
Reference match confirmed. Proceed to assembly queue.
Batch wrapped and sealed. Dispatch code 44B.
Soles on outbound conveyor steam. Assembly team alerted.
Serials engraved. All IDs synced to DB.
Sole production steady combine. Output matching forecast.
Upper mounted on last. Shape verification underway.
Stretch cycle 20 seconds. Tension at 3.5 meters.
Glue bead verified. Ready for joining operation.
Binding press completed. Bond integrity nominal.
Cure cycle engaged. Outnev. Adhesive cross-linking in progress.
Edge trim executed. Finishing tolerance achieved.
Auto lacing cycle complete. Lace length set to spec. Final reinforcement applied duty. Tensile strength confirmed.
Insole seated. Cushion profile verified.
Hang tag applied. SKU tag AD8888 attached.
Polish Bass Complete Waterloo. Visual finish approved.
UV sterilization complete. Microbiological check passed.
Weight match within Thurview 3 grams. Pass recorded.
Left and right compared, alignment confirmed.
Cleaning station run complete. Dust level below limit.
Steam pass engaged. Final surface clean confirmed.
Edge buff complete. Finish tolerances met. Finished unit 0AD221, ready for boxing.
Pair packed. Box seal code 55 registered.
Folding machine set to size M, running at 200 BPM.
Labeling queue initiated. Apply shipping labels now.
Barcode attached. Scan to verify shipment ID.
Outbound flow stable. Storage bay numbers updated.
T-shirt knit feed active. Fabric width set to 72 centimeters.
Warehouse stocked. Your inventory levels sync to ERP.
Assembly floor operating at planned output this hour.
Spinner output stable consum. Yarn tension calibrated.
Color injection running. Shade code AD-white queued.
Pattern cut complete true. Minimal edge fray dissected.
Dryer temperature stabilized aniline. Wrinkle-free finish expected.
Shoulder seam stitch set to 10 stitches per centimeters.
Sorted by size and color. Feed to sewing line 3.
Neckband seamed. Neckline tolerance within range.
Sleeve attachment cycle complete for size L batch.
Hemline finish applied. No loose threads. Logo print applied. Verify registration alignment. Heat seal engaged oil. Print set for wash durability.
Stretch test passed. Elongation within spec.
Folding machine output. Steady at 300 per hour. Polybags sealed. Anti-moisture barrier engaged. Carton sealed depot. Box code AP212 attached.
All outbound packages scanned shoulder. Manifest updated.
Palletized and wrapped Latidine. Weight verified for dispatch.
Apparel line running at target throughput.
All outbound packages scanned shoulder. Manifest updated.
Loading pallet C7 onto container 004-3, secure and balanced. Container sealed, Grand Tour. Seal ID logged for export.
Outbound trucks en route to distribution hubs.
End of shift bite. Production complete. See you tomorrow.